As more and more people take up the challenge of halting biodiversity decline across Aotearoa, New Zealand, the EcoIndex team is providing science-based information to help with planning and prioritisation of environmental actions. We provide information for catchment scale planning. If you've thought about a long-term goal for your project, our EcoIndex ecosystem restoration targets can help. Our goal is to help land managers from all walks of life to protect and restore at least 15% of each native ecosystem that belongs in their catchment by 2121. The game changes if we can reach this 15% goal, with links to greater ecosystem resilience and function, as well as reduced management costs and better prospects for reversing the decline of native biodiversity. But we wanted to provide more than just a goal, so we looked at the ecosystem types that would likely occur without the presence of people and compared them to today's landscapes. This allowed us to identify catchments that have less than 15% native ecosystem cover and calculate targets to guide restoration work on the ground. These are the areas with the greatest ecosystem restoration potential. Explore our EcoIndex ecosystem restoration targets for your catchment and gain new scientific insights for your biodiversity planning, funding applications and big picture thinking. When we restore native ecosystems, we create a chance for nature and people to once again thrive.